Hey guys, in this video you will learn on how to upload your blog post to WordPress in the most effective and efficient way possible. Refining your blog post publishing process is really important because over the next years of your blogging journey, you will be publishing a lot of blog posts. If you end up taking half of your blogging time only in publishing the blog posts, you can't really grow fast. Back when I started blogging, I used to be really slow. I used to write everything directly on WordPress, added the images manually, added the alt text manually, formatted it, or else even if I wrote the article on Google Docs or Microsoft Word, I used to copy and paste every single paragraph from my text processor to WordPress and create the images and manually resize and compress them and add them one by one to WordPress. It was a very slow, inefficient process. And later on, when I decided to build a team, I realized that I need to refine this process because, if I hand over this inefficient process to my content publisher, it will take a lot of time for the content publisher to publish every single blog post, right? It will be a major bottleneck. So I have refined this process so that you don't need to manually do some of the routine tasks when it comes to blog post publishing. Earlier, I used to take around 1 hour publishing every blog post. Now, it's about 15 to 20 minutes. In this video, I'll be presenting you the exact step-by-step process that we follow in publishing all our blog posts across our multiple blogs to save you a lot of time. Thank me later. So you have this dummy article that I have written. This is some dummy lorem ipsum text and also some dog images. Okay, so now I need to move this article in the most efficient way to WordPress. Now, the main problem that I'm facing here is to move the images. Okay, so I can just copy and paste the text, but images will not be uploaded automatically to WordPress. Okay, in that case, I need to make use of a WordPress plugin called Mammoth docx Converter, right? So you need to install this. And here you can see Mammoth docx Converter. Here you need to upload the docx file and just insert into editor. This plugin will take care of uploading the images in the background. But what about the image name? Right? You don't need to have image names like word1, word2, word3, stuff like that, right? You need to have meaningful image names for SEO. Okay, so let me add some image name for this and leave this as blank. Okay, so now let me right click on this and go to alt text. Okay, and under title, you need to enter in the title of your image that will be read as the image name by WordPress. So here I can just include in the title, what is this dog be like? Bored dog. Okay, so let me go to alt text and just type in bored dog. Okay, so now let me keep this blank. Okay, because I want to explain you something, guys, going forward. So let me download this as Microsoft Word. All right, so there you have it. So now I can go to add new post, and here I can just drag and drop this image, a docx file. Sometimes drag and drop may not work. In that case, you need to click on choose file and just select your file. And here you need to insert into editor. It's taking a while to insert the content because it's uploading the images in background. These are really big images that just have taken for the demo purposes. Okay, you need to obviously resize and the images. So let me wait for some time. So now content has been inserted. Here I can just enter the title and you can see the content is all classic blog. Okay, I just can click on this button here and make this convert to blocks in case if you are using block editor. So you can see all the images are all uploaded, right? It took around 15 seconds or 20 seconds for me to upload this. Depending upon your document size, you need to be patient enough for the program to do all the things for you. Okay. So you have these images. You can see the alt text has been transferred. Not due to this alt text here because I have a rank math that is taking care of alt text for me. Main reason why I entered alt text here is to have meaningful image name. So if I go to media library, you can see file name for this is bored dog. Okay, whereas in this case it's word image 1. Why? I have not entered the alt text for this image. Okay, for this image I have entered board doc, and that board doc image name was picked up by rank math to alt text. Okay, so alt text saw this image name and made it as alt text, so that is good. So like this, you will be uploading your DevOCX file to WordPress. So if I just go to code editor, you can see the code is really clean. Okay, DOCX code will be really messy, and this plugin did a really good job of cleaning out the messy DOCX code and all. So this is a really quick way to move DOCX file to WordPress. Okay, other than this, you can make use of services like Wordable. That is a premium service that helps you to just export your document out of Google Docs to WordPress in one single click, rather than you downloading the file and uploading manually. But for most of the cases, this free plugin is more than enough, unless you are a content marketing or content writing agency publishing dozens of articles on a daily basis. Or you can alternatively also make use of, also there is one plugin called Doc Expresso or something, that is a WordPress plugin, Doc Expresso. Yeah, so you can make use of this as well. They have their plugin that helps you import your doc files to WordPress. But I haven't tried this because our workflow is now around Mammoth DOCX Converter. So this may also be a really good plugin for you. So when using any of these plugins, you need to make sure that images are named meaningfully, right? So you need to enter in the image name here under alt text title. Even if you have the title over here, if it's not taking the image name on WordPress, then you can try it in the description. Some months back, I used to use a Jetpack plugin for exporting my Google Docs to WordPress, and that Jetpack plugin relied on the text in the description field to name the images meaningfully. Okay, so depending upon the plugin, you need to try any of these fields for naming your images, and then you need to upload here and you will be good to go. This is the most effective way, guys. Make use of this.